Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of sorts. I got my Stitch Fix in this month, right here. Let me hide my address. I got my Stitch Fix in this month, and so I wanted to share with you what I got and also do a kind of try-on haul so you can kind of see what the clothes look like on me. This is a little bit uncomfortable because I've never really shown my body on camera, so it's a little bit weird, but I think it'll be okay. If you haven't heard of Stitch Fix, it's basically like a clothing subscription service of sorts. You pay $25 each time you get a fix. However, that $25 can be used towards an item of your choice that you decide to buy. If you decide to buy the entire box of clothes, you get a discount. I believe it's 20% discount on what you buy. So it's a pretty good discount if you decide to go with the whole box. I've yet to do that only because I just can't see myself spending $200 on clothes. That's just not who I am. So I usually pick one or two things out of the box and then send it back. Back to the $25. If you can, like I said, you can apply the $25 to something in your box. Now, if you decide not to get anything in the box, you do lose that $25. So that's why I always pick at least one thing, because I don't want to waste the $25. With your fix, you also get a personal stylist. So you send them ideas of what you would like, the style you're looking for. If you have a wedding you need to go to and you want something to wear, tell them that and they'll send you something appropriate for the wedding. If you're just looking for summer clothes, things like that, you just tell them that and they'll send you summery type clothes. You can also attach your Pinterest board to Stitch Fix and it will kind of give your stylist an idea of your personal style. So I think it's a really cool subscription service. I've gotten several boxes, probably 6 or 7 boxes so far. I do really enjoy it. So if you are interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, I will put my link down below in the description bar so you can sign up. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and jump into my fix. So I have had a lot of questions when I share my fixes online about, is it simple or is it difficult to send your stuff back? That's one thing I do want to address really quickly before I jump in, and it's super simple. They send you this in the mail when you get your fix. So all you have to do with the clothes that you don't want, you just throw it in the bag, zip it up, and throw it in the mail. That's it, and you're done. So it's super simple if you don't want the clothes. It's not a big hassle, nothing like that. So I just wanted to address that really quick before I get started. So the first thing I got is this black maxi dress. It's gonna be hard to see, but I will insert like a video of me wearing it so you can see it more. It's long, it's basically floor length. There we go. It's basically floor length. But yeah, it's really nice, and it's got this tapered neck, but it's not too revealing in the breasticle area. I have pretty large breasticles, so I need something that covers them, and so this one definitely fits really nicely. I really like this dress. I think it's something that I could see myself wearing definitely, maybe not in the summer, but maybe in the spring, fall time. So I think this is really nice, and I'm probably gonna keep this one. The next thing I got is this floral dress right here. It's red. It's got a tapered waist here, so it goes right under your boobs and it just kind of sinks it in, so it's really flattering. And then it's just got a short hem. It's probably about knee length, so it's a nice summer dress. This is something probably I would wear to church. This isn't something I would go out in the day. It's not really light. I mean, it's a light material, but it's not really casual. So I would wear this more to church or something like that. I know you're probably gonna wanna know what size this is. This is a 2X, and also the black maxi dress was also a 2X. So the next thing I got are these cargo shorts. They're this army green color. They're pretty long, if you can see, like, oh, here we go. They're not too short or anything like that. There's plenty of length to them. I do like the color. The style is not really my thing, but I did ask for shorts in this fix, so they did do a good job at sending me shorts, but just not my style. And these are a 16. So the next thing I got is this really pretty shirt right here. It's very sheer, and it's got, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like feathers on it, which I really think is very cute. It's got these short shoulders, and it's very very feminine, and I love the feminine look. That's just something that I prefer. For me, I really love this shirt. Probably going to keep this one as well. I just really love it. And this is also in a 2X. It's a little bit big, but I do like it a lot, so I may go ahead and keep it. So this is the next item that I got. It's like a shawl type thing. It's short sleeves, very see-through and sheer. Very nice for summer. I really, really love this one. It's also got kind of a ruffling here at the front. You'll be able to see it better when I show you on, but it's really, really pretty, very feminine, and I love that one too. So this is also a 2X. So that is everything that I got. I hope that you enjoy this video. Again, if you're interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, you can just click the link down below in the description bar. If you have any questions, just ask them below and I'm happy to answer any questions you have. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye.